Cassida Corporation presents our brand new multi-currency value counter with professional full-sized dual CIS detection technology, touchscreen color display, and advanced consumer benefits. Cassida Xpecto is user-friendly and convenient. Just switch on the machine and put the bills in the hopper. The machine starts counting automatically, and once the counting is done, you see the result on the screen, like total number and total amount of the counted bills. To count a new stack of bills, just put a new stack into the hopper. It uses advanced full scanning of bills for counterfeit detection with its unique detection technology such as dual CIS, IR, UV, ultraviolet, and MG, magnetic. It has all the important operation modes for efficiency in your daily cash processing activities. Multi-currency? Yes. It can count up to 10 currencies mixed or one currency in one stack. Plus, the software can be updated, providing your specific currency combination requirements. How about when you receive worn-out banknotes? Some machines just reject it, but with Cassida Xpecto, counting with worn-out and new ones are possible. Aside from cash counting and accurate detection convenience, administrative comfort is a plus too. With Cassida Xpecto, you get color touch screen, connect to an external display, and thermal printer easily, real-time counterfeit detection, and an advanced software support. With constant updates of security features from the central bank, Cassida is dedicated to keep pace with these changes and incorporate required software updates and support. With Cassida Xpecto, installation of updates can be done using a USB or a micro SD card. There are so many multi-currency counting machines available in the market, but Cassida Xpecto is not just the right choice for your business. It is, more importantly, worth your investment.